Good morning. Welcome to Vibrant Authentic Living and Lemon Water in the Mornings with Nandi. I am Nandi, and it's 17 minutes to 6 a.m. here in Jamaica. So the sun is not yet up. This is our time in the morning to just chat about any random thing that's on your mind. The random thing on my mind this morning is how turned off I am when people are just deliberately difficult, when people go out of their way to be difficult. That's what I want to rant about this morning. Of course, we're going to have our lemon water feature first. So let me set up that. All right, so here's our lemon water feature, and afterwards we'll talk about it. This morning I am so frustrated. I am so frustrated. I just read an email, which I was hoping to be a good email, telling me that a particular matter has been resolved. And it turns out the matter is still not resolved. So here in Jamaica, we have justice of the peace, right? Justices of the peace, which will be similar to a notary public in other domains. So we use a JP, we call him a JP, Justice of the Peace. So this is a person who would, if you have documents to be verified, the JP would sign the copies to state that the original has been seen, right? He's verifying. So there's a particular application process that I started in August, and the documents were to be, it's overseas, so the documents were to be signed by the JP and scanned. Okay, so I copied my documents, went to the JP signed them and stamped them. Now, usually documents would be signed and stamped at the back, right, of the document. So the JP signed them at the back. I scanned front and back, sent to them. So they sent back to say they can't see the stamp on they want to see the stamp on the front. So I said, all right, okay, fair enough, since the documents are being scanned. It's not like I'm bringing them in and they can see that it's the same page. So I said, okay, fine, took them back to the JP for him to sign and stamp at the front of the documents. I did that. Scanned them again, resubmitted them. After a while, quite a while, so I sent to find out what's happening or what's the hold up. I need to know my status. They sent back to say they can't see the seal. They can't see the seal that the JP used. So they're asking me to take a pencil and shade over the seal so that the seal stands out. I said, okay. I did that. I had to go get them scanned again, submitted. And then I noticed a lot of time is passing and I'm not hearing a response. So I contacted them yesterday. So I said, well, I've done all the things you've asked me to do. I'm just eager now to know what is my status so we can move forward. Now I get an email this morning. The documents need to be signed and stamped properly. I'm saying, what am I don't know what else either me or the JP is supposed to do, honestly. What else am I? I don't have a stamp. I'm not a JP. The gentleman stamped the documents according to what he's supposed to do. He stamped them, signed them. I shaded them so the stamp stands out in the scan. I honestly do not know what else to do to please these people. I don't know. But to me, it's just like they're being unnecessarily difficult. You know, I just get that sense. And it's one of the things, it's a peeve for me, is when people are just unnecessarily difficult. You don't have to insist on certain things and you just go out of your way to stall the person, to sabotage the process. Why? Are you trying to prove, what are you trying to prove? Your power over the person? I honestly don't know. Like the other day, I had something there was something wrong with my phone. And he just needed a card to insert where the button is to turn on the phone. That's all, right? And I'd gone to the store. Technician told me what needed to be done, but he said he didn't have that card. Let's call it a card. It's a little metal thing that they insert. He didn't have the card. But he would have put it in, he would have installed it if he had it. And the store was crowded that day. I went back another day. He had the card. It was him alone in the store. Him alone. Me and him alone in the store. And I said, okay, can you insert the card for me? He said, no, he can't because he just came and he had a lot of computers to fix and whatever. And I'm saying, but this is something you would have done with so many people in the store the other day. So why is it no, me and you alone? The people who are coming for the computer, they have no idea what time you come or whatever. We're here now. I don't think it would have taken 10 minutes. But I just got the sense, you know, when you just get the sense that somebody is being difficult and it's unnecessarily difficult, it just pisses me off. I really don't like when people are like that. And it can be frustrating when you want to move forward and they're hindering the process because of being unnecessarily difficult. Some people are just difficult to deal with. And, you know, if it's in your power to facilitate someone, do it. It's not like you're going out of your way. It's not like you're being asked to go out of your way. There are just some simple things you can do to make somebody else's life easier. Just do it. Don't necessarily put yourself in the way and sabotage the process. That's my peeve this morning, and it's frustrating, but hopefully I'll get past this. All right, so this is Nandi. I'll see you tomorrow when we chat about some other random thing.